Hey YouTube, Kevin here from Harrington Classic Car Restorations in Asheboro, North Carolina. Here's our newest job. It's another 69 Chevelle. Metalwork was done somewhere else, and we're going to do a little bit of fine tuning because there's a crease in that quarter panel there and a crease in that quarter panel there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But everything else looks pretty good. To do a little adjustment up there, we'll weld that up and then fiberglass it and bodywork that. As you can see, it's got all new panels, floors, doors, fenders. We got to try and fit this fender. Hopefully we can get that one to fit, because sometimes they don't, depending on where we get them from. Not sure where that one came from. We're going to grind that out of the firewall and redo that. They did a really good job on the frame. I think we are going to get a new door for that. I mean, it's got new panels everywhere else except for that door and trunk lid, but the trunk lid looks pretty good. That door's a little rusty down on the bottom, so we'll change that out. Got new wheel tubs. So this is our new job. So we're going to turn this one into something like that one. Stay tuned.